But when it comes to premature death and still our age longevity is still about 67%. And if you look at the WHO definition of old age, it's 70. So the average Fijian is dying earlier than the old age limit. In fact, I think there's a recent summit or recent discussion amongst the WHO where they now classify youth as 18 to 70. So, in a way, you could be saying that a significant proportion of our people are dying during the youth. And so, so what they have over here, or the meeting they have over here, it fits in quite well with our workplace, our NCD workplace initiative. We really want to get the workplace to change. We'd really like to see a lot more healthy food at the workplace. We'd really like to see the workplace indulging a lot more healthy activities. There are many people who come up with resolutions for healthy living. They do it all at home. Unfortunately, when they come to the work with all the collegiality around, they tend to forget about it. So that's why we are supporting a lot these type of initiatives, where we train HR unit. We train HR unit together with doctors and nurses to be able to understand the requirements of NCD related prevention programs in the workplace.